everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. This is Devshri Singh and I teach psychology at an academy for UPSC CSE optional category. As informed earlier, we are launching a crash course for psychology optional for students who are writing mains 2021. So I will be sharing the complete course curriculum in this particular video. So those of you who are interested in joining the crash course, you can watch the video. I will also be attaching the PDF of the course curriculum on the Telegram channel. I'll share it there. I'll share the link of the Telegram channel in the description box. You can just check it. And I want to suggest one thing that the same course curriculum which I have designed for the crash course, you guys can follow the same for your revision purposes as well. This will be more coherent. It will make more sense if you revise your portions in this sense, in this particular way, which I'm going to share with all of you now. Although there are a couple of units which can definitely be tweaked and be studied at a later point of time, which I'll mention if needed. But because I have to teach, so I have to go in a certain order. You can do introduction to psychology and all these basic units little later as well. It doesn't make much difference, and these are like comparatively easier units to do. The lengthier units should be covered first, and especially the ones which are more scoring. So first of all, the aim of this session is this particular video is to give you all details about the crash course. If you need any other help in terms of how to go about your means planning and all, please do let me know. Put it in the comment section. Maybe I can definitely make a video or help you all in that case in a special class or here. So yep, I'm now going to share all the details with all of you. Please have a look at it. Herein I am sharing with you the complete course. I will be taking 60 sessions. These will be almost on every single day except Fridays, because on Fridays we have test series analysis classes at the same time. Now these 60 sessions will be of 1.5 hours of duration, and I have herein given you the starting date and the end date of the course as well. The course will start on 21st of October and it will actually end on 29th of December. Timings for the course will be 4:30 to 6 p.m. This is a suitable time which I think most of you can join live sessions at this time. Now the fact is that these 60 sessions are not just for paper 1 or just for paper 2. It is basically a comprehensive but a crash course when I am going to discuss all the important topics, all the PYQs, the most important ones. Of course, we will also try to do brainstorming, not just the course completion. I will teach you the important topics, and I will also provide you the required content to answer those kind of questions. I'll also share certain answer writing tips with you. Apart from our brainstorming, there is a good possibility we will be practicing a couple of questions in the class settings in the live class. I will be also giving you a couple of homework questions for your extra practice every single day. Now this will ensure that you are not just revising what you are supposed to revise, but you are also practicing it side by side. Now if you take the subscription for an academy, which is, let's say, even if you want to attend the crash course, you will actually get test series free of cost, so you can write the test as well, which are ongoing. If anyone needs more information regarding the test series in this context, you can let me know. I'll again create a video if you want. And right now, जस्ट टू रिमाइंड यू ऑल कि बॉस सिर्फ क्रैश कोर्स नहीं है, उसके साथ में टेस्ट सीरीज भी है. प्लस अगर आप किसी टॉपिक पे पूरा डिटेल्ड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव क्लासेस देखना चाहो तो वो भी अवेलेबल रहेगा, बिकॉज जब भी आप सब्सक्रिप्शन लेते हो तो सिर्फ लाइव कंटेंट नहीं, आप पुराना रिकॉर्डेड कंटेंट भी देख सकते हो. सो दैट्स लाइक अ वंडरफुल थिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. एक ही सब्सक्रिप्शन के अंदर आपको कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कोर्स भी मिल रहा है, क्रैश कोर्स भी मिल रहा है और साथ में टेस्ट सीरीज भी मिल रही है. अभी उसके लिए भी मैं और डिटेल्स आप सभी के साथ थोड़ी देर में शेयर करूंगी. कोर्स करिकुलम में यहाँ पर आपको एक बार ब्रीफली दिखा देती हूँ. यू कैन सी आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद इंट्रोडक्शन यूनिट. आई विल गो विद मेमोरी, लर्निंग, thinking and problem solving, development of human behavior, language intelligence, sensation perception, motivation. उसके पहले we will be doing unit 14 and then social psych, and then we will start with our paper 2. Now then you can follow it actually, right? You can see the sequence. I'm showing you it on the slide as well right now. And just plan your revision according to this. I feel that if you do it this way, you will be more sorted. You will be able to answer maximum questions in the exam, and you will be done with the most effective units. Do not forget to, or please do not underestimate the importance of the research methods part. It is very important. It can go tricky anytime. You all know what happened in 2020, so please give due respect to those units. There's a possibility this time they will ask lesser questions, but they can ask you good tough questions too. तो अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके रखो, एंड कहीं कोई डाउट हो प्लीज़ डू गेट इन टच विद मी, आई डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू आउट. अब क्रैश कोर्स का डिटेल्स पीडीएफ पे देख लीजिएगा, उधर उसको मैं क्या यहाँ रिपीट करूँ. कुछ यूजुअल क्वेश्चंस जो मेरे पास में आएंगे क्रैश कोर्स का लेकर, या जो अभी तक आते रहे हैं, वो सब मैं यहीं पे एड्रेस कर सकती हूँ. इसको भी आप चाहो तो पीडीएफ में देख सकते हो. सबसे पहले कि क्रैश कोर्स का टाइटल तो यही है, क्रैश कोर्स फॉर साइकोलॉजी ऑप्शनल मीन्स 2021 के लिए. I will be taking the crash course completely. There's no other educator who's sharing it with me right now. I will be taking all the 60 sessions with you. I have given you my contact number, which you can use if you want to get in touch with me for test series, or maybe for discussion about the crash course, or any details if you guys need. Then, is it only for plus subscribers is a very common question. Then yes, crash course is only for plus subscribers, and even our test series is only for plus subscribers. So if you want to avail any of these, you will have to subscribe to Unacademy platform. And whenever you apply, or whenever you subscribe for the platform, you just ensure that you use my code, which is Devshri Singh. So how do you subscribe to it? You can use my code Devshri Singh. You can select a plan for subscription in the UPSC CSE optional category. If you want it only for optional, if you want it for GS, then you can either go for GS. If you want a combo, then you should go ahead with the combo option and select it for both of these together. Now, if you have any queries in subscribing to the platform, you can always message me on Telegram, and I'll be happy to help you out that how you can go ahead and subscribe. So any such difficulties we can take care of. Will I cover previous year questions in the crash course? I will cover, but because it is a crash course, I'll not be able to cover it the way I covered in the comprehensive course, which is like doing all 5 years of question papers and trying to answer every single question, doing brainstorming, writing. Like, we'll not be able to do it at that level, in that depth, because herein we have paucity of time. We will be covering all the important PYQs, different styles of questions which are being asked, how to address those, what should be the right structure, brainstorming for few questions. I'll also definitely make you write few questions too in normal settings and also in a timed manner, which I do for speed answer writing. सो करवाऊंगी सब कुछ, मगर इन अ वेरी प्लान, इन अ सिस्टमैटिक वे, क्योंकि आप अब 6 महीने 5 महीने तो नहीं लगा सकते कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कोर्स का. तो जितना हो सके स्पीड बढ़ाने की कोशिश करेंगे इफेक्टिव कंटेंट के साथ में. Will there be model answers provided for the test series or in the crash course, whatever we are going to discuss? So model answers will be provided for the questions I'll be discussing in the crash course. So let's say if I discuss a particular question, either I'm going to give you a model answer for the question, or I'm going to give you a structure of the question. So I have planned certain number of questions which will be given to you for reading purposes. You check out the model answer. If that is a complicated and tweaking one, I will actually explain it to you. And if we are doing brainstorming, then the structure which we are going to form within the session will be with you all for practice. Now apart from that, for test series, for every single test you get model answers. तो वहाँ तो कोई दो राहें है ही नहीं, वहाँ तो आपको model answers मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे. Answer writing practice को I have always given importance from my first batch, and I will ensure कि हम crash course के अंदर भी अच्छे से answer writing करें, because we are just gonna write means we cannot go without answer writing. It is very important. Only revision is not gonna work. You need to be very well versed with the writing style as well. Do we have any test series? A lot of you have been asking me this question. I just want to tell you all that yes, we do have a test series. This is not my personal test series. This is like Unacademy's test series which they have launched, and the ongoing test series has 20 tests. Now in this particular test series, you will have to subscribe and then only you can practice the test. One thing which I can take care of is that I will, let you practice maximum number of questions with me, which even if you're not able to do in the test series, we can do it in the special classes or plus classes. It's just that you have to subscribe to get almost all of those benefits. I will make another video. If you guys want for the test series, just let me know in the comment section. And will you provide model answers for test series 2 is another question. So yes, I will be providing. Along with the model answers, I will also be taking an analysis class, which I keep usually quite flexible as per my learners needs. Usually what happens is कि कभी कभी they ask कि आज question practice करते हैं, questions difficult था, कैसे हम लोग ऐसे answers बना पाए, उसमें help करो, तो I help them with that. अगर questions वो कर पाए, उनको बहुत अच्छे से तैयारी हो रखी थी, तो then we do answer writing, like we write more answers, we do speed answer writing, all of these things. So this will be very helpful for you guys as well. It depends, because now those of you especially writing means, you need to practice on every front. You cannot just work on either vocabulary or the content. You have to work on everything, including time management. So this becomes good. This is important that not just in the test series, if you have any questions, any doubts किसी particular question को और improve करने के लिए, तो analysis classes there for you. Our answer copies will be evaluated. Yes, all your answer copies will be evaluated. And who will be evaluating these answer copies is another question which is asked very frequently. So I will be evaluating your answer copies. Nobody else is going to evaluate or touch it. It is going to be assigned to me. I am assigned all these answer copies. This is our third test series in 1 year, and all the answer copies have been evaluated by me. And here also it will be Devshri Singh who will take care of the evaluation of your copy, so do not worry. Okay, next is how many months of subscription will be good for the crash course. At least 3 months, I will say, because crash course in itself is for more than 2 months, because we're starting on 21st of October and just gonna go till 29th of December. Now the point is, at least 3 months is good for this reason. If there is anybody who wants to enroll for test series, then I suggest at least go for 6 months if you are targeting only the ongoing test series. If you are writing in 2022 and you are still watching this video, or 2023, I will suggest go for a longer plan, maybe a 1 year or a 2 year plan, because the number of test series we are going to conduct in this time period, you will get all of these free of cost. So इतना तुमको और कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. प्लस प्राइस हाइक अनअकैडमी की भी आने वाली है, तो तुम लोग को क्यों एक्स्ट्रा पे करना है. फटाफट अभी सब्सक्राइब करो और अपना थोड़ा पैसा वैसा बचाओ, उसको और कहीं यूज़ कर लेना अच्छा खाना वाना में. अब हाउ मेनी मंथ्स ऑफ सब्सक्रिप्शन विल बी गुड फॉर कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कोर्स और टेस्ट सीरीज. सेम थिंग आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू, 1 ईयर मिनिमम, या उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा ट्राई करो लेने का, इफ़ इट सूट्स यू ऑफ कोर्स, right? Because that is affordable to most of the students. How about, many questions, many students ask me this question as well, कि how about I renew my subscription for new test series, like कि मैम मैं अभी 3-4 महीने का ले लेता हूँ या 6 months का, क्योंकि ये 6 months तक चलेगा, फिर मैं renew कर लेता हूँ. Choice is yours, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. You can always renew, it is completely fine, but you need to understand that how exactly it is working. If you go for 1 year, there's just hardly few thousand rupees difference in 1 year and 6 month subscription. तो तुम लोग को 6 month का 20,000 कुछ का पड़ेगा, एंड 1 year का कुछ 24,750 के आसपास पड़ता है आफ्टर यूजिंग माई कोड देवश्री सिंह. सो इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग हिट फॉर 20,000, पहले ही तो तुमको सिर्फ 4,000 एक्स्ट्रा दे के 1 month का मिल ही रहा है. दूसरा यू गोना रिन्यू इट लेटर, तो अभी प्राइस हाइक आ जाती है अक्टूबर में, ये सबको पता है, हर साल आती है. तो प्राइस हाइक हो जाएगी, देन अगेन यू गाइज विल बी लाइक कि अब और एक्सपेंसिव हो गया, 6 months का भी एक्सपेंसिव हो गया. सो इट्स बेटर यू प्लान कि आप एग्जाम कब लिख रहे हो, कब देना है, उसके हिसाब से 1 year 2 year जितना लेना है आप लीजिए, एंड फिर तसल्ली से बैठ के पढ़ो. यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट कि फिर से रिन्यू करना है, अरे प्राइस बढ़ गया, अरे ये हो गया. लाइक बी चिल, फोकस ऑन योर स्टडीज़. सो एक ही बार में डिसीजन लो, काम ख़त्म करो. That's all. Mainly I will be sharing this definitely in the Telegram channel, so please download it. And I will just suggest again that do plan your revision for means according to this. And even if you are studying, let's say you're starting, as you're a beginner and just watching the video, the same rule applies to you as well. Please study in this manner. It will make your study more effective and impactful. Unit 1 and 14 can be adjusted anywhere, like वो बहुत हल्का फुल्का सा यूनिट है, सो उसको कहीं पे भी स्टडी कर सकते हो. बाकी किसी को कोई रिक्वेस्ट हो, कोई डाउट्स हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो, प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, or you can get in touch with me through Telegram. I am trying to work on all your requests, and I will try to make as many videos as possible as soon as possible, because it's quite hectic schedule, and I'll try to accommodate all your requests here. Thank you so much, and do spread the word with all to all your friends. Please share the video, inform everybody that we are launching a crash course. This is starting very soon, so we do not have a lot of time. तो उनको जल्दी बता दो ताकि वो कुछ मिस ना करें और ना सिर्फ रिविजन बल्कि उनकी अच्छी खासी प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाए. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय.